In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach multiple files in a message using the Outlook web app. This process is simple and efficient, making your email experience more productive. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft Outlook website. Make sure you're using the Outlook web app as this guide is tailored for it. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a sign in button prominently displayed at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you have multiple accounts, be sure to sign in with the one you'll be using to send the email. Once logged in, you should find yourself in the Outlook dashboard, a hub for all your email activities. Next, to create a new email message, locate the New Mail button on the page. It's usually situated on the left side or top corner depending on your interface layout. Click on New Mail, and this will open a new email composing window where you can start drafting your message. Now, to attach your files, focus your attention on the toolbar at the top of this new window. Here you'll find various options to enhance your email, such as formatting tools. Look for an option labeled Insert and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options for you to choose from. Among these options, select Attach File. This is a crucial step as it's how we start the process of adding your files. You'll see another option pop up that says Browse this computer. Click on this and it will open a File Explorer window on your computer where you can navigate through your folders and find the files you wish to attach. Now it's time to select the files. You can attach multiple files at once by holding down the Control key on your keyboard if you're using Windows, or the Command key if you're on a Mac, while clicking each file you want to attach. Once you have highlighted all the files you need, click Open. This action will begin uploading your selected files to the email you're composing. You'll see your files listed beneath the subject line of the email, confirming they've been attached successfully. If you need to make any changes or add more files, you can always repeat the attachment process. That's it. You've successfully attached multiple files to your message in Outlook web app. Before sending your email, ensure all attachments are correct and your message is ready to go. Press send and your email along with the attachments will be on its way. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in managing your emails with Outlook web app. Feel free to explore further features of the app that can enhance your emailing experience.